ways to create a hot air balloon at home, so be sure to watch other videos to see what you might think would work best. A hot air balloon rises by having the hot air expand the air particles, making it less dense, causing it to rise above the cooler air. So be sure to keep that in mind. You will need 22 20 by 30 inch sheets of tissue paper, a glue stick or liquid glue, an 1.5-inch strip of cardstock 10 inches in diameter, scissors, paper clips, and a hot air balloon launcher, hot air popcorn popper, or a small fire with a little chimney. Let's get started. First things first, if you want a template to use to cut out your shape, glue, tape, or find something that will be the same size as your tissue paper sheets and fold it in half long ways and draw and cut out your shape. If you can't find 20 by 30 inch tissue paper, you can either downsize or cut and glue to make 21 20 by 30 inch sheets. They don't have to be perfect, but only overlap the sheets you glued together an inch or less. Now that you have your 21 sheets, stack them and fold them together vertically, aka hot dog style. You may want to use a broomstick to make sure they are all straight and pulled back. Then use paper clips to hold the folded side in place. Now you can either freehand a sketch of your shape or use the template to trace your shape, but it must be the same size as your sheets. You will then cut out your shape. Just be sure to cut the open side off and not the folded side. Now take 3 sheets and glue them all together. Do this by gluing 2 to 1 and 3 to 2. If you did multicolored sheets, make sure you stack the same 3 styled sheets. These will create your 7 gores. From here, you can do it 2 ways. You can stack them and fold them over 1/2 inch and glue them together, which I recommend watching a couple videos on how to do this. Or you can glue all the sides together no more than 1/2 inch, making a flower-shaped circle. To do the round part of this, you may find yourself using a bowl. Now we will use our 1.5 inch strip of cardstock for the mouth of our hot air balloon. You can glue or staple this to the bottom of your balloon. I wrap mine over the cardstock and back into the inside, but you can do this the other way as well. There should still be a hole at the top of your balloon. You can cut a big enough circle piece out of tissue paper and glue that to the top, or you can use scraps of tissue paper from your previous steps. Either way, make sure there are no holes. Now you can test out your balloon. You can use a hot air balloon launcher, a hot air popcorn popper, or you can make a small fire using some bricks or rocks to make a chimney. If you use a small fire, make sure it's just hot air going into your balloon. You want to hold your balloon until you feel it pulling away, then you will let go and watch your hot air balloon lift up into the air. I had to make many changes to my hot air balloon, such as taking panels out, making it shorter by tying the top together with string, and taking more and more sheets of tissue paper off before I realized a hairdryer simply wouldn't work. Good luck on your balloon, and always feel free to make changes.